Okay, radio frequency identification tags in clothing are going to make shopping much easier because they are going to reduce the time we're going to have to spend in the queue at the checkout.
Okay, but the problem is that these tags will track our buying profiles, and so the retailer will know what we buy, how often we buy it, and that cannot be a good thing.
But on the other hand, there's also the advantage that using this sort of technology will improve the security, reduce theft, and therefore reduce the price.
But the problem with all new technologies, which are flexible and can be used in many ways, is that we don't know what these tags are going to be used for, what sorts of different purposes they're going to be used for. We have no guarantee that they're just simply going to be used in terms of the buying and selling and making that more easy for the customer.
That's true. On the other hand, there may also be unforeseen benefits for the customer. So, for example, it's imaginable that this technology will save your data and therefore allow you to reorder clothes without having to go back to the store.
But in terms of so-called benefits, I mean, we don't know what the health risks are. I mean, I don't see it as necessarily a benefit that we may well have problems in terms of the radio frequency, the radiation from those radio frequencies when we've got tags which are at close proximity to our bodies on these clothing.
But we don't tend to be worried about this sort of thing when we wear our mobile phones, so I don't think it's going to be a major issue. We do seem to overlook the fact that there are going to be huge benefits for the customer in different ways, as I've explained before.
But I don't think that any sort of cost-benefit analysis has been done on such things. So it may well prove that the costs of doing these things in terms of so-called making it easier to buy things and in terms of retail is going to be cheap and cost-effective.